Hello you guys, today I'm going to show you how to pop. I'm going to mend my shovel, snow shovel, and now I just want to show you there is different kinds of size on this. You can get them in all size. This is the biggest one for my poppetang. That's Norwegian. You see, this is the right side size, and you see here there is a smaller size, and you can just replace this with the size you want. So if I wanted to use this smaller one, I just do like this. Oh yeah, it fits, and then I will just move this. And I have a tool down here that is going with I can just do like this. So I will show you what happens to the pop. You pay attention now. I am moving the handles. I have not started to move it, but no, I'm trying to film at the same time. I have to use the camera. So, and now you can watch. You see the tip of it? Oh, what's it gets fat, do you see that? So this is this, and I will show you a new one. So this is how it works. And how do you know what size to drill the hole? You can either use this one, or I will show you a trick how to find the right size if you don't have this skyvelær in Norwegian. I will teach you Norwegian too. I will show you easy with this. If you don't have a skyvelære, and you need to, this is for wood, you see this is for wood. I do like this, put it under like this, and then you can see that the spiral that is going to hold the wood together. The zoom, how is the zoom? Okay, you get the picture. You see? So I would use this board depending on how tight I want it to sit. So this is one way. So I know that this is the right size, and I will. This is not a video about how to keep your garage tidy. This is just to mend my shovel. It's a lot of snow outside, so I'm just doing this the fast way. And I have done things here. This was just popping through, and the plastic was lying over like this. I needed to get this plastic lying right on top of the metal. The metal is aluminium. This is a great shovel, and I've drilled a hole, and I drilled a hole here, and now I'm going to stick this down there and down here. So if you do this in anything you do, make sure it lies down to the goods, to the, yeah, you understand. Okay, so now I will pop it, and I have my poppetang here, and I will just push it down as I do the pop at the same time. I will see if I can do that. Have to. Okay. Okay. Oh, it was too hard for me. There. Oi. Sånn. And this is the loose one. This is stuck. No, this is not stuck yet. I wanted to be really. You see, it's just a little. But maybe this. Oi. I don't know how this look inside. Maybe it's hollow and then it will not fit. I'll do my best. So now I just did it once more. And it's not very, you see it's moving. So I couldn't hide it anymore. I will try once more. You, I can. So, oh, se der, ja. No, it's nice. You see, this is from the fabric. This is my doing, and this it's nice. So I learn as I go, and that's what life is about. It's about, we are just like children, learning to walk every day, because every day is a new day. Yes. So what I do, I put it all down, and then I'll do like this. So, and I'll change the grip and go down with a poppetang. Oh, you see? Yes, now I can shovel snow. Oi. Yeah. Huh? Nice. So what do we do about this? Because I don't want snow getting in here and push it all up again. So I have to find a nice solution. You just wait and see. I'll have to wait and see too. I will try to fill this up. I could actually have used a lighter, but I will try this. Maybe this flame will come out there and it be more flame. I have to think about it. I wanted to show you a easy way, and I think I will use the lighter so you can, if you're out on a travel and you need to mend something, I will just show you this. I can't say it. I don't know the name. This is welding tools. So if I want to let's see, I want to have something to hold on, I can do like this, and I just loosen up here to make it stick the way I like. You see, I'm just, I was too loose, but now this holds the screw now. I always have a tool like this, welding tang in Norway we call it, and then I just do this and then the screw is loose. Isn't that smart? I love smart people, smart things. Now I will put this on, and we will try with a lighter. I have not tried this before. I have this, I always take this off the bottle, so I have this in all kind of colors. Is it dripping? I can't see very. I have the camera in front of me, so it's difficult to see if it's. Oh yeah, it's on flame. I will just melt it and put it down into the hole. It's on a fire. Yeah, and I will just find something to when it's melted. I will just push it in the hole, and now I'm looking around to find a tool to push it down with, because this is no, this didn't work very much. I have to think about something else. It dripped. I needed to be more patient. It was difficult to see through camera, but I think I'm on a track here that I can follow. Earlier I had a cooking plate here, and then I just had a fishbowl box that I just bent to get a tube, so I can easily pour from it. I'm looking in my cabin now to see if I find it. I do not. I am actually just going to shovel snow, so I have only a little time, so I will. But as you see here, the dripping, this is very nice in the snow. It will make the snow easy to leave the shovel. So I will stick to this and just take my time. But if I had a cooking plate, I would have just put the corks in the fishbowl box and just poured it out. Maybe I should move the popping. Let's see how it sticks to the metal. It's just dripping off the metal. I have to make it drip on the. This is almost like I did with the cartoon series. I did that with you know, the light. What do you call that? I don't know. I don't remember what it's called. It's, you see, it's, but yeah, you see. Oh, you don't see. So, and oh, maybe I need to level it out. No, I don't need that. So, and then I'll take this other and I'll do the same. I'm trying to remember what you know, when you had the cartoon that you were dripping stearin, you know that word? You learn Norwegian now. We dripped stearin on the cartoon, and then we could take the cartoon off the magazine, and then we had a stearin plate with the cartoon picture on. I think this will work. I have something under here because I know it will drip through the holes, but I think this will work fine. This is the first time I have tried this on this. I have never mended anything with a cork. I have just it's burning by itself now. it doesn't look very nice, but I will not use time to look at this when I'm shoveling snow anyway. The main thing is that I want this shovel to work. So, oi, and then I can try to, but that really doesn't matter, I think. So, doesn't look nice, but this will work. So this is just a cork. Right. And this is how, yes, it went through there, but I'm happy. I need this to dry now. Ooh, maybe it will loosen. I will test that when it's dry, but now this will stick. This is here to stay. So doesn't look very nice, but now I fill the hole, and now there will not come any snow in the hole to push it and break this. That's the point. So now I wish you find some happy spots in your life and you focus on that. And if you don't see anything around you, think about the ability of your body. Think about your eyes, that you can see. And if you cannot see, you have even a better hearing. And think about, I think you can see when you are on YouTube, but there are some YouTubers that can listen to YouTube. But think of your hand, everything you can do with a hand, a grip and bending. And I think the body is a very, very clever thing. Yes, I'm just, how is it possible to make a body to work as well as it does? So if you don't find anything around you, you just be grateful for your body. And the more you feel good and grateful, the more grateful things will come into your life.